How to convert video to audio. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to convert video to audio. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video very carefully because I will teach you on the necessary steps you need to take in order to do this. So without further ado, let's go. So what you need to do is to head over to a shortcuts app that you can find on your iPhone. And then after that, what you need to do next is to just click on this plus button right here in order to add a shortcut. So let's name it. Let's name it video to audio. Then click on this add action right here, and then in here just click on convert. So let's click on this encode media right here and encode media from shortcut input into this right here. So click on this receive any and make sure to enable all of this right here. But for this video, what we need to do is to just select on this media. It's because what we need to do is to just convert the media and we don't want to convert the images. So let's toggle all of this. And leave this media right here on. Then click this from. Click on this receive or share screen or share sheet. Click on done. And then click on the shortcut input right here and click this audio only and the format to M4A or AIFF, but for me I'll choose M4A because that's the standard. And then after that, just click on this plus right here for the set name. So let's click this encoded media right here, this name right here into recording. Then click on done, and as you can see, we have now successfully added this file right here. You can also add the save file right here if you want to do this or save this to your files, but for me I will just cross them out. So click on X right here. As you can see, we have now this shortcut. So right now let's head over to our photos and let's choose a video that we want to convert. So for example, this video right here. Click on share sheet right here. Then after that, just scroll down and you will see here this video to audio converter. So let's just click on that and you should be able to convert it to video from audio. You should be able to locate it on your files app, and that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to convert video to audio. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!